Today, increasing numbers of people are not getting more and more concerned about their physical health. Because of the increasing numbers of cases of heart-related diseases, diabetes, and obesity, you have the right to be concerned about your physical well-being. Health benefits and physical appearance are the two main reasons why more and more people are considering working out. Physical fitness refers to the human body's ability to function without too much fatigue. Thus, the energy stored by the body is enough to do leisure activities as well as overcome physical stresses with alertness and vigor. General alertness, muscular endurance and strength, and cardiovascular reliability are the obvious signs that you are physically fit. Normally, physical fitness is measured according to expected functions of the body associated with endurance, strength, coordination, flexibility, and agility. Physical fitness levels are influenced by systematic, regular exercise. Moderate activities keep the person at a certain level capable of dealing with ordinary stress. To improve your level of fitness, you must intensify your workouts, challenging your. Here are 7 fitness tips that will help you improve your overall physical health. 1. Daily exercise. Every day perform some movements that can elevate the rate of your heart. It can simply include walking when buying things in the market nearby or doing household chores like washing clothes, mowing lawns, and other chores. 2. Eat more veggies. Vegetables and fruits will keep you energized and healthy. Plants in their natural state contain lots of fibers and nutrients. Organic fruits and vegetables are preferred whenever possible since they are free from any chemical contamination. 3. Weight train. Muscles are weakened as you age. Do resistance training to create hypertrophy, muscle bulk. This helps you look younger and adds more quality into your life. 4. Circuit train, weight training which enables you to continually move from one workout to another. Following this practice can improve your heart rate during the whole workout, doubling your cardio session. 5. Train functionally. Incorporate some movements into your daily exercise which benefit or mimic your practiced movements in the actual world. Sports are good for functional training because the body is required to move in an efficient way. Functional training can keep your body balanced, making it more resistant to illnesses and injuries. 6. Stretching your body as you warm up and after exercise. This will keep you flexible, loose and limber. 7. Hydrate. You need a minimum of 8 glasses of water per day. The human body is 60% water. Coffee, soda, alcohol, and tea are all dehydrating, so those don't count in your 8-glass requirement. Through exercising, you will not only have a healthy body and healthy heart, you will also obtain a great-looking body that you can be proud of. In fact, many people exercise in order to have a better-looking body. You can never deny the fact that a good-looking and muscular body produces more sex appeal and is considered to be more attractive than having that extra flab and looking like the Pillsbury Doughboy or too thin that you look like a scarecrow. Having a great-looking body also produces indirect benefits to you, such as having more self-confidence and a significant increase in self-esteem. Click the link in the description on how to increase your physical health.